I am very, very happy that such a kind of program exists. I didn't know that such program was there. The reason I feel that it is very important and good is that tomorrow, out of this group which you have, these some of these can even lead the country. Some of these can become parliamentarians, and if you mold their thinking towards not only good governance, but also to remind them that the responsibilities that will be bestowed upon them by the people if they want to go further up in politics, or even if they are at the grassroots level, but that it is very important for them to understand how effective role they can play as a politician if they are elected or not elected. And this sort of the kind of criticism which people make that our politicians don't know much, they're not connected with the masses, they win on the basis of a wave or on their financial power. These sort of things can be dispelled to a certain extent, not completely. And maybe, hopefully, we'll have more better, good politicians who can govern our country or our state or at Zilla Parishad level, which will help the people at large only. We should be connected to the masses. We should be accessible to the common man, and at least the minimum that I expect my party MLAs and MPs to do is they should try to lift their own cell phone. Because even for a cell phone you have a damn PA to lift the phone. So that is where you miss what people exactly want, and it will be better for politicians if they go around in their constituencies, meet people, talk to them. One politician cannot solve all the problems, but the issue is that you meet the people, you give them a sense of confidence, you give them a sense of importance that yes, I spoke to my MP, MLA or corporator. That I feel is very, very important. Unfortunately, this is what I feel is that we are lacking in this, and the general complaint is that our MLA, MP is not accessible. That I feel that this accessibility should be more, and let us hope for the better. Otherwise, the attrition rate is huge. That is why we lose elections as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.